Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. This is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. As we know, market is bullish, and in such market conditions, if you're not making money, definitely your strategy is wrong or your stock selection criteria is not correct. Let me give you a quick recap before we proceed with this video. Previously, we know this trend line was acting as a resistance. Whenever market tried to cross, it got rejected again and again. Finally, market took a bounce around 3060. It crossed immediate hurdle that was between 3120 to 3140. It also made a dodgy candle right before clearing the resistance, that is this trend line. It crossed next hurdle that was between 3200 to 3220. Market broke the resistance. It came back for a retest, and from here it made a new high. As of now, market is near a minor resistance zone. Once this hurdle is crossed, market will soon test 3400, that is strong psychological and technical resistance zone. So definitely I'm looking at some correction in this zone. Overall, on daily chart, market is very bullish. Let's go up to weekly chart to analyze further. As we know, market took a bounce from 3060. That was previously a strong support area. From here, market made a huge momentum to the upside. For now, we are seeing 3 green candles back to back without any pause. So as I just mentioned, it would be nice if market can correct somewhere around this area and then make a new high. Then we can see 3700 very soon. In case if it goes straight from here, yes, there are good chances it can break the resistance, but most likely this would come back for a correction then once it breaks 3400. So it's always better when there is important support or resistance area, market should take a small pause before it makes a big move. This was the market index. I hope guys you have understood where the market is currently, where it can go potentially. Let's check out some stocks. Dubai Investment Company. It's again bullish after making this huge momentum to the upside. It was correcting itself, and now again we are seeing higher highs and higher lows. It means a new trend to the upside have started. We can see it made a high, it touched 2.22, it came back for a retest around 2.15. We are again seeing a new high, meaning this stock is now trending. Support as of now is at 2.30. We can see market have tested this support twice. Most likely if market is positive on Monday, then we should expect upside momentum, or we can also see it may come down to retest 2.27 and then make a new high. For now, this is bullish and it can be a very good setup. All we want to see is a buying momentum right into the support area. EmiratesNBD Bank. This stock is also very bullish. After they disclosed their financial statements, market made a huge momentum to the upside, a correction, a bullish price momentum right into the support area, and then again it made a new high. This zone is very important for the market. Previously we can see it took a bounce from here. Exactly at the same place we saw market took a bounce again. So this is how market reacts again and again at support and resistance level. While talking about immediate resistance or the target, 14.00 is first target. We can see previously market reacted at the same level again and again. So this becomes our potential target. Try and offload some quantities here as market can hit the resistance, come down for a retest and then make a new high. So I repeat, first target should be 14, and then we can also see 14.75 to 14.80 as our second target. Emaar Properties is also very bullish. As I just mentioned at the beginning of this video, market is giving us very good opportunities to make money. We should be able to select bullish stocks. In case if you need help how to understand markets and trade, you may join my paid mentorship program where I teach each and every elements of technical analysis in detail, one-on-one private session. Yes, this course is paid. If at all you are serious and interested to join, send me a WhatsApp message. I will send you further details. Let's talk about Emaar Properties. Previously in my analysis, I had mentioned market is taking a pause right before the resistance, so there are good chances of a breakout to the upside. Exactly this is what we are seeing, and this is exactly what you want to see once you have made your analysis or trading plan. Stop loss below the red candle. Now market is going up. It have already gapped up. It broke the resistance that was previously tested again and again. This trend line was acting as a resistance. Market broke the resistance. It came back for a retest. We can see a nice dodgy candle right into the red candle, and very next day we can see a huge green candle. This indicates support is confirmed. Buyers are sitting in this area. Well, talking about the last closing, this is bullish. Next target should be this gap zone. We can see previously when market was correcting itself, or when the stock was going down, it created a huge gap right here. So there are good chances market would like to come and fill up this gap. your next target should be somewhere between 5.60 and 5.70. Tecom is another stock that is looking interesting. There are good chances it may break to the upside. Why do I say this? We can see for the last 10 to 15 days it's just hanging around the resistance. 2.35 is resistance area. We can see previously it tried to cross, got rejected. Again it tried to cross, got rejected. For now we can see last candle is dodgy candle. It means indecisiveness in the market. Now let me show you something more interesting. If I move up to weekly chart, we can see first two green candles here. First candle is bearish and then this is an engulfing candle. This shows strong buying power. Again, as I just mentioned, resistance is at 2.35. We can see first week it tried to cross, got rejected. Second week also it tried to cross, it got rejected, and this is the third attempt. For the last 3 weeks we can see Tecom is just stagnant. It's stuck within this area. So most likely we can see a good momentum to the upside. At the same time, protect your trade. Your stop loss should be somewhere below 2.27. If you talk about the targets, we can at least target half of this candle to consider as a recovery. So somewhere about 2.50 should be a good target. If the market is still bullish, you can offload half of your quantities, let the profit run. Your next target should be around 2.65. Unioncoop also had a good run. Check out guys how a stock tells us when to buy and when to sell. 3.90 was the listing price. It came down till 3.20 and from here we are seeing green candles. First green candle was inside day candle, meaning it was within the body of previous day's candle. And from here we saw a confirmation. This is the confirmation that after buying pressure we are seeing market is holding and now it's ready to go up. And if you are still not convinced with this candle, let it cross the listing price, that is 3.90. Once this was crossed, this was again a buying opportunity, or in case if you have purchased at lower level, you can add more quantities here. Then market moved up. This is your strong indication that now market is ready to correct itself. It opened with a gap up and the closing is more than half of previous day's candle, that is this green candle. From here we are seeing retracement, two red candles and then a small buying pressure again. Well, this cannot be taken as a confirmation. I would be only confident if I see another green candle here. Then it makes sense to me, because once market comes down for a correction, it goes up a bit. This is just a market adjustment. When it comes down again for a retest, and then when it makes a new high, this is the setup that I like to trade, with confirmation that now market is bullish. So in case if you have missed the trade in Unioncoop, wait for another green candle on daily chart and then buy. Dewa is also stuck within this chart pattern for more than 2 months now. Last week it made 3 attempts to break out, but unfortunately all 3 attempts were a failure. Last closing is a dodgy candle. It means market is indecisive. Now if I move up to weekly chart, we can see it's just gearing up for a big move to either side. Yes, to either side. Why is that? Because previously we can see it was trending down. This chart pattern indicates a pause in the downtrend, and from here it can even continue to the downside, making a new lower low. Or there are good chances if bulls get activate here, this can be a reversal. It can make a bigger move to the upside because it have consolidated for more than 2 months now. We can expect a bigger move. So let's wait and watch. Any breakout about 2.56 should be considered as a breakout. Stop losses should be below 2.50. Deyaar is also looking very interesting. If you are following my analysis regularly, I had mentioned this is a good indication that now market or Deyaar is about to reverse. And this is a good place for an early entry. Stop losses should be below the red candle's low. Immediate resistance was at 0.475. I remember I had mentioned let it cross 0.475 as this is a resistance area. Once market crosses and closes above 0.475, this will be very bullish. We are seeing a similar kind of price action here. Market moved up right at the resistance. It took a pause. And then after a breakout, we also saw a retest. So just in case if you missed an entry here, market always gives a second chance. As of now, it's trading at 0.500. There are very good chances it can continue going higher. At the same time, any dip should be considered as a buying opportunity. 0.490 is good support just in case if it comes down. Next target should be around 0.520. AirArabia also made a fantastic run. Previously, I had mentioned in my analysis, this is a resistance zone. Let it break the resistance. When it comes down for a retest, we look for a bullish momentum right into our support area. I took this trade. I also shared my trade on Instagram and YouTube as well. Check out the momentum to the upside once this retest was confirmed. As of now, we can see a red dodgy candle indicating indecisiveness. Yes, there are good chances it can drop down or it can come down to correct itself. This will be again a good buying opportunity if at all you get stock at 2.14 to 2.12. This is support zone that was previously acting as a resistance. It could not cross earlier. So we again look for a buying opportunity somewhere around this zone. 2.24 is resistance. We can see previously it tried to cross. We saw heavy momentum to the downside. So this zone is a strong resistance. If at all you are still holding, this is a good place to exit and book your profit. Gulf Financial House also made a good run to the upside. If you have seen my previous analysis, I had mentioned it have made a W chart pattern that is bullish, neckline at 1.00. Any retracement from here is a buying opportunity. From here we saw a good momentum to the upside. As of now we can see market is just taking a pause right near the resistance that is 1.10. Either market corrects by time, that is it will spend time just near the resistance, or it may come down to correct itself, find support and then move to the upside. For now we are looking scenario number 1, that is it's spending time right near the resistance. So most likely if it crosses 1.09 and closes above, we can expect this as a breakout. More upside momentum will be expected. Next resistance is at 1.15, so plan your trades accordingly. Dubai financial market is still not to be considered as bullish or trending to the upside. Why is that? We are just seeing a small bounce from 1.50. Still bullish price action is to be confirmed. A small upside momentum. It spent some days right before the resistance and then finally it made a breakout to the upside. Again it came back for a correction. This is the beauty of a breakout. If it is a positive or a genuine breakout, it will come down for a correction most of the time, and then we have to wait for a bullish price action to enter the trade. As sometimes what happens, market breaks the resistance and then again comes down. This is a breakout failure, and this usually happens when market does not spend time right near the resistance. But in this scenario we are seeing market spend 4 to 5 days and then it made a breakout, but still this is not a uptrending stock. We are seeing a huge momentum to the downside. As of now we are seeing recovery. Last candle is red candle. If at all we see a break above 1.75, a closing above 1.75 preferably should be considered bullish, and then you can enter the trade. Keep taking small targets as this stock is very volatile and still not confirmed as a uptrend. I hope guys this video was helpful and you have learned. Do not forget to hit the like button, support the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.